Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. So my family and I, for our family day today, we decided to go to the Getty Center in Los Angeles. We had so much fun, and I just wanted to share with you some of the fun things that we did, how we got through the museum and the exhibits with a 3-year-old and a 7-year-old, and some of our tips and tricks. So if you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, well, we are getting ready to go to the Getty Center, I think is what it's called here. We've lived here for 2 years, and well, we haven't been yet, and it's free, so we're gonna go there today. So before we go, I packed some snacks because we like to keep our family day as cheap as possible. So we save money because we do it every week. And so this week, because we're going to the Getty Center, that's free. Right now it is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so we've all just eaten lunch. But to make sure that we don't need to buy anything else while we're out, we like to just pack some little snacks for us from home, and that way we are good to go. So I've packed some of these little green snack things. We buy them at Costco in a big bag, and then I just put them in snack sizes, and I put them in the snack drawer for the week, so it's easy for lunches. I just did these right now because we need to go grocery shopping, so we are at the very end of our grocery list, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then we do had some cheese left, and so I cut up the block cheese because they were super cheap at Costco, and so we had some of that. And then just because it's our Sabbath day and it's a sweet day, I'm packing just a couple of treats for the kids, and plus I kind of just want to get rid of the Christmas candy. So that is what I've just packed in here, and we'll probably bring a couple of bottles of water, and then we're set and we're ready. Are you excited? On a train? Motorcycle! These pamphlets are a great tool to use throughout your visit to engage your kids while at the Getty Center. You can pick these up at the kitty cart when you arrive, or just head over to the Family Center and get them from the brochure stand. I included the map and highlights brochure because it shows some iconic pieces, and you can make it into a game of I Spy as you explore the exhibits. Another way we engaged our kids was having our older one find objects and art pieces in alphabetical order. They could be words or items. For our 3-year-old, we just challenged him to tell us when he spotted any kind of animal in an art piece. The audio tour is also free and is available when you enter. It's a great way for you to still enjoy the exhibit if your little one is drawn to other things or needs a rest on the bench at the center of the exhibit. You think Da Vinci looks like Woody Harrelson?
I think that picture looks like Woody Harrelson, and I think
That one right there, you think that one looks like Woody Harrelson? I guess it kind of does, a little bit. I don't know. I don't know if that's Da Vinci. Get the whole picture, Michael. The whole picture. The whole picture. cozy.
Cereal. Maybe if I can eat in here with my cereal.
And we were so happy because we had heard that there's not a whole lot of things that are interesting for kids to do, but I don't know, it is what you make it. I thought it was great. What did you think, Michael?
Yeah, I thought it was really good. It was
Yes,
great.
I loved it because I think that it would be a great place, you know, for educational purposes. So like we homeschool, so it was really great and educational for that aspect of it. There were some beautiful views, and I'm gonna get better at not saying all the time. There are beautiful views, so I think it would make a great location for a date. There's like gardens and fountains and walkways and just gorgeous, gorgeous views of the ocean and the city. And then there was stuff for the kids to do. Overall, we were there for several hours. We had a really great time today. The weather was beautiful and we just had a really, really great, fun time. So, and the best part is that the museum is totally free. I definitely recommend the Getty Center. Another thing is I saw that there is a second location, and all you have to do is pay for parking at one of the locations, and then you get into both of the locations. You don't have to pay for parking again. So I thought that was super awesome also. Yeah, but it was a good day. The weather was nice and it was great. So I hope you enjoy. If you like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up and write some comments down below. I really would love to hear from you. Maybe if you have some tips or tricks that you do to make it fun for you and your family, go ahead and leave those below too.